Hi, my name is Kinuyo Nagabara. For the last few months of Animation 2, even though it's exhausting because of video projects, I pretty much enjoyed it. I learned about photography, videography, and video editing. And I'm gonna say thank you to Miss Chris.
Hello, this is Aliyah. This whole semester was a whole roller coaster of events. It was exhausting to act and edit from time to time, but it was all worth it for the experience.
Hi everyone, my name is Cristiano Espiritu. I just want to thank Ma'am Chrislene as our advisor sa Animation 2, and my experience is sobrang saya niya, like unforgettable moments, and ayun lang. Sobrang saya lang talaga ng mga activities sa Animation 2.
Hello, I'm Rian Andaya. Looking back for Animation 2, sobrang daming nangyari. May mga araw na masaya, pero meron din naman sobrang nakakapagod with all the filming, editing, and habulan ng deadline. Pero kahit stressful, ang dami ko talagang natutunan at napapansin ko din naman na unti-unti akong nag-improve. Proud ako sa progress ko this semester and ready na ulit ako for next sem.
Hello, I'm Precious Gavino from NYU. For me, is grabe talaga yung Animation 2 experience. Every week is puro filming, puro editing, taking pictures, tapos minsan kulang pa sa oras kapag sa school nag-film. Nakakapagod, pero in fairness, ang saya pa rin kasi makikita mo yung improvement ng bawat isa. At madami talagang kaming natutunan, kahit na stressful is fulfilling pa rin kapag natapos mo yung output. It was super worth it, so I guess ready na for third sem.
Good afternoon everyone. So, i-share ko sa inyo yung experience ko kay Ma'am Chris. So, una is sobrang laki na natulong niya sa akin lalo na no first semester kasi mas lalong gumanda yung pag-aaral ko and mas lalo akong na-motivate kasi sa pagiging strict niya and yun, helpful yung pagiging strict niya sa akin para mas lalo akong gumawa ng maraming bagay.